What's up, YouTube? Building Ricks here. I wanted to make a quick video on another appliances. This is a dishwasher, a Maytag brand. It's stainless steel on the inside and out. Let's take a look at what we got here. We got a steam, 10 years limited parts and labor, Power Blast auto normal quick rinse. And these are the cycles. Delay. That's usually delaying the wash, like if you have to be somewhere. The temperature, the sanitize, heated and dry. You can cancel your cycle or start it. We've had this appliance 5 to 10 years, and I believe Maytag is a part of Whirlpool. Let's look in the inside. Now, I've always heard that dishwashers that are stainless steel on the inside and out are better value for your home and last longer. Has a very strong propeller. Let's get a good look in the back. Alright, well that was a quick video on this dishwasher, this Maytag dishwasher. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.